Hello everybody. This is a quick demonstration of the CodaSign digital signage system. CodaSign is intended to allow you to put content on screens in public places. Those places might be the menu in an office canteen, or it might be health information on the wall of a doctor's surgery. And typically they will be large screens fixed on the wall, somewhere very visible. I don't have one of those here, so I'm showing you here a webcam view of a small screen sitting on my desk, and it's connected into our little player appliance here. So this screen is not connected to my computer, it is managed remotely. It could be 1,000 miles away from me. And the CodaSign web interface here allows you to gather a collection of media and assign it to these screens. And usually the way you do this is to create a playlist, and we can see the current playlist over here on the right, but I could go to one of my selection of other playlists, maybe some of my photos here, and I can send that playlist to my display. And you'll see that the display changes instantly and starts showing a playlist of my photos. Now, how do you get media into CodaSign in the first place? Well, you can add it by clicking on this button and selecting some files to upload, or by linking to content that's out there on the web. I've got a little photo of some roses here, which I took at the weekend. I'm just going to drag that into CodaSign and click upload. And after a moment it will prompt me to give it a name. Roses. Save it. And there you can see it in my list of media, and I can drag and drop it into this playlist and send the new playlist. Actually, I don't even need to send the playlist because it's already assigned to the screen, and so you can see that the screen is immediately updated and starts showing the new playlist with the roses as the first item in it. Now, when you are testing this, we'll give you some test credentials which don't have a lot of content in, just to simplify your experience, and also of course you won't have a screen connected to it, so this little screencast is really just to give you an idea of what the experience of a normal user is like. So now let's think about what this might look like if you're trying to get content into CodaSign from your Canva account. So here we are now, logged into CodaSign again, but with the much simpler Canva API testing account, which, as you can see, currently has no media in it. How would I get content from Canva into this world? Well, we've created a publish extension here. This is a very simple presentation which is made from one of the standard templates. You probably recognize it. And I want to get this into my CodaSign account. So I click Share. I go for the CodaSign extension, which I can find under More if it's not listed here. And I say, yes, I wish to use CodaSign. And I connect to my CodaSign account here with the credentials that we've given you. And immediately I can see here a little menu which gives me a list of places I can publish to. And this is because a single user in CodaSign can be a member of more than one organization. So if you have more than one, you'll need to choose which organization you want to send this bit of content to. But here we only have the Canva API testing thing. Do I want to send all the pages? Yes, I do. Canva behind the scenes is turning my presentation into a PDF and telling CodaSign to download it and put it in my account. And once my design has been saved, I can go to my CodaSign account, and there you can see that design available in CodaSign, ready to be, for example, assigned to my playlist or put on the screen as we saw before. I hope that's clear. I'm sorry you won't have a screen to play with when you're testing this, but hopefully you can appreciate now what the normal end user's experience would be like. Now, one last thing to mention here is that by default, if I go back to Canva here, if I wanted to make a change to this, for example, and share that again, CodaSign, to my Canva API, then by default, if you've already published it before under the same name, it will overwrite the copy that's in CodaSign. So you can see here that the text has changed on the little preview window, and if that content were already assigned to a screen, it would be immediately updated as soon as I publish the new version from Canva. So it's a very convenient way of updating the content on your wall directly from your Canva account. Please don't hesitate to get in touch with us if you have any further questions about how this works. Thank you very much.